trees and where I breathe. Gold fragments on my face, old prayers under my feet. Lift me high, crowned in echoes, let my name dissolve in sound. Every wound, every shadow burns like incense pouring out. I am storm, I am mercy, I am silence breaking free. Lift me high, and echoes till the echo carries me. Lift me high, crowned in echoes, till the echo carries me.
They wrote my fate in wax.